Welcome to the city of Bath, which is the largest city in the county of Somerset, situated in the southwest of England. We're visiting on a glorious December day between Christmas and New Year. The centre is relatively small and easy to explore in a day, so join us to see the famous Roman baths and a lot more.
We are staying at the beautiful Tortworth Court Hotel, perfectly situated for touring the area. Check out our vlog of the Tortworth Court Hotel and don't forget to like and subscribe. After a lazy start and a delicious full English breakfast, we were amazed to see a bright, clear winter's day emerge from quite a misty start. Hello and welcome to Bath. We've just had a lovely walk in from the parking space by beautiful lit up Georgian buildings. And where are we going, Dan?
Well, we're going to go and see the baths, which should be very interesting, the Roman baths.
Oh, the Roman, not just the bath store.
No. We could just go for bath in the bath store if you want. Yeah. And then straight after that, we're going to go to the glass factory.
Yes, there's a glass bar, Bath Glass, which is a beautiful blue glass products, and there's a place you can see them being made, so we're going to go and have a look at that. Other than that, just beautiful Georgian buildings and a wander around. It's a gorgeous city.
It is.
Bath is the sort of city you can wander in and explore the side streets. It's full of quaint shops and tea rooms to discover something delicious to eat or a treasure to take home.
It's always worth popping into a local pub for a warm traditional atmosphere and some delicious pub grub.
The Roman baths are situated right in the centre of Bath. The queues fluctuate, in the winter at least. On our return there was no wait at all. It always feels such a privilege to walk in the footsteps of so much history.
There's a free audio guide included in the ticket price to give you a greater insight.
Amazing artefacts have been preserved and presented at the site, including a lot of social history items I find fascinating, like keys and locks, as well as figurines used to decorate the home and plenty of well-worn coins. Hello, we've just had a look around the Roman baths and it's very old, 2,500 years ago, which is almost too hard to comprehend that people were living and having lovely warm baths in this area, and it's just amazing. How's it warm, Dan?
It's really warm actually. Say about 60 degrees.
Crikey.
Wouldn't mind a bath in that actually.
If I sit for a moment, I always try to imagine overlays of the people who have gone before me, inhabiting the same space in full costume. The Roman baths have brought that alive for us with their ghostly projections of Romans going about their daily lives. It's quite magical.
Okay, so that was the baths. It's £16 per adult. There's a family ticket, and if you book ahead, you get 10% off if you book online. So what did you think, Faye? Do you think it was good?
I think if it's a first time visit, it's well worth doing. It's amazing history. We're a little bit spoilt in England, we have so much history around us, but yeah, it's amazing.
True. Yeah,
it
was our second or third sort of visit, wasn't it? So perhaps didn't mean quite so much.
Yeah,
but
it's not that bad.
yeah, it does seem, for me, £16 seems a lot of money, but then we didn't take advantage of the voice thing, did we? So
that's true.
I think if you'd done that as well, it probably was worth it.
The light is fading and we still have so much to do. I hope we can make it to the Royal Crescent before sunset.
We popped in to the glass bath store opposite the Roman baths in town for a little souvenir and got directions to the Walcott Street glassmaking factory. Entrance is free to watch glass being made, or you can pay £20 to blow your own bauble. Check out their website for details.
Bath Glass is an indie, homegrown business. I love their beautiful glass, which makes a great bath souvenir. Jane Austen lived here, and you can visit the Jane Austen Centre to get a glimpse of her life and times. I popped in to use the loo and was amazed to see Elizabeth Bennet powdering her nose.
You can also visit inside one of the famous Bath townhouses at number 1 Royal Crescent. We had such a lovely day in Bath. It's a must-see city in the UK.